Hey there, and welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. I'm going to show you how to change out the HID globe on, this is a BMW F25, so that's an X3. X4 has the same headlight globes. Just have a look on the side, see if you've got LED or something like that written on the side. If you don't, if it's just the standard lights that look like this, then they're going to be the HID. So there is a cover on the back, a great big round cover here. So looking down over the top, we're undoing that. That goes down, turns just a little bit. That comes off. That's nice and easy. Next, there's a wire on the globe. I'll show you a still shot here of the globe. Just lift that wire. It comes straight off the top of the globe, like that. And I'll pull the wire out. See, here's the fitting here. I'll show you once I get it out. It only goes one direction, so that's all good, nice and easy. Now, the next one. This is a bit difficult because your hand sort of doesn't want to go in there. In my car, the left-hand globe had the plug on the top and the right-hand globe had the plug on the bottom. It had one each way around. So this is the left-hand side, this is the right. If you're doing this side, you do need to lift that washer fill bottle. If you have a look around the back here, see, there's that little white square. That tab there clicks into it, clicks into place. So just give that a press with the screwdriver to press it in, and then that will come up and come off. Now I'll clip it back down again, and she clicks into place. It's just a matter of, you've got to get your hand in, and it has to turn this way. So that is clockwise, but backwards. You're standing in front of it, you're actually turning it anti-clockwise, if that makes any sense to it. Only goes less than 1/8 of a turn. Mine was really tight and it took a lot of getting going. Now it's loosened off, we can get him out. I'll show you the globe. Be super careful of this. I'm going to put a link in the description. You've probably got a blown globe. There she is. That's the guy that you're replacing. And there are some upgrades. I'll put in an upgrade globe if you want to just brighten up your lights a little bit. Put in some upgrades, and also just the standard globe if you want to stick with that. Be super careful with these guys when you're putting them in. Plug goes to the top. You put it in like that, and then you straighten it up that way. To take it out with the plug at the top, we had to turn it that way and then come out. Getting this into the right hole take a lot of time. It's a little bit higher than you think. Get it to go to the right place. Have a look over, get a torch. You can't see it from the front, unfortunately. Press it forward and turn. There you go. And it's got to come up till it makes a bit of a click. And again, she's tight. It's not easy. I've got a pretty strong hand, and that certainly took all of my strength to get it out, and not easy to get back in. So you're going to have to persevere. Stick on some gloves. Hover down there. The globe is now back in place, and the plug is up on top. So again, you make sure it's back vertical. I do actually recommend putting the plug back into your new globe like that, and it'll click into place. And then put the globe in. Here, there's your cover. This is very simple. It just slots back into the slots. Find a spot till it presses in, and then turn it, and that's on, and you're waterproof and you're sealed. All right, then go and give them a test, and you've swapped out your globes.